Hey, I'm Jessica from Bristol Hairdressing in San Diego, and this is how to do a crown braid. Section your hair into two, all the way back, like you're going to do two French braids. Then section off the side that you're not working with. Use your finger to do an upward diagonal section. It's going to make a triangle, split that into three. Then the middle piece is going to cross over the back. Middle piece then crosses over the front. Middle piece crosses over the back. Middle piece crosses over the front. Add hair to the piece that is about to become the middle, and that's how you make it sort of like a French braid, but this is actually a Dutch braid. So add hair, middle crosses over the back, add hair, middle crosses over the front, so on and so forth. It's basically the opposite of a French braid. Any little pieces that come out, you can bobby pin them if you want. You can just try to tuck them into the next little part. You can use hairspray, just do what you gotta do. Combing everything forward so it's already gonna agree with me. Again, diagonal upward section, split it into three. Middle piece crosses over the back. Middle piece crosses over the front. Middle piece crosses over the back. I was just adding hair there. Okay. Middle piece crosses over the front, middle piece crosses over the back, add hair, middle piece crosses over the front. Same thing as the other side. And notice that I'm keeping my hand position close to my hairline. That's because I want the braid close to my hairline. I want it to look like a crown braid, not like two Dutch braids. Otherwise, this last part would be really difficult to make it look like one cohesive braid. We're trying to be tricky here and make it look like you just braided all around your head. So secure it and then make sure any little fluffy pieces are tucked in, and then take the hair and the elastic, feel where it is, push the bobby pin in the direction of the braid, and then all those little under pieces, you can tuck those under the braid and they'll just kind of stay. And then tuck that elastic under the braid that you just placed, and then use a bobby pin, find a piece of that braid, and then push the bobby pin that way. Okay, feel it, feel if you can feel anything poking out. I highly recommend looking at the back with a mirror. Any pieces that are sticking out, just tuck under. You can bobby pin them if you want to. You can just hairspray them. You can leave it messy so it's a boho look. But that's the basics. Then go ahead and separate the braid a little bit, make it look a little messy. Tuck in pieces that you don't like out. Oh, that was a little wild. Okay, I have to be careful because I have bangs, so I'm always like re-smoothing things that I pull out. You just pull on the edges and don't pull too hard. It's finishing off with Glam Mist. It's a shine spray. And then I'm letting some wispies go here just to make it look a little softer. That's all, folks.